In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your skills, automating emails can greatly enhance your marketing efforts and save you a considerable amount of time. Let's dive into it step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience setting up your automated email workflows. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the HubSpot homepage loads, you'll see the login button right at the top. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. Now, as you land on your dashboard, the next step is to head over to the Automation tab. You'll find this in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Workflows. This is where the magic happens. Workflows in HubSpot are powerful tools that allow you to automate a variety of tasks, including email sending. Once you're in the Workflow section, look for a button that says Create Workflow and give it a click. You'll be presented with a couple of options. Depending on your needs, you can either start from scratch or use a template. If you're confident and know exactly what you want, starting from scratch gives you complete control to tailor every detail of your workflow. However, if you're looking to automate a common process, HubSpot offers template-based workflows such as abandoned cart notifications, welcome series for new subscribers, or lead nurturing sequences. These templates are a fantastic way to get up and running quickly. The next step is setting a trigger. Triggers are crucial in workflows as they dictate when an action should happen. You might want your workflow to kick off when a user submits a form on your website, when there's a change in the lifecycle stage, or when someone becomes a member of a particular email list. Think about the scenario you want to automate and set your trigger accordingly. Once your trigger is set, it's time to add an action. In this case, you'll be selecting Send Email. For this part, it's important to have your marketing email already created. Navigate to Marketing, then Emails to create your email beforehand if you haven't done so. This ensures that it's ready to be sent automatically once your workflow is in motion. After adding your action, you can further customize your workflow. You might want to include delays between emails or perhaps set up if-then branches to segment your audience based on their behavior. These options allow for more personalized and effective communication. Finally, once you've reviewed and are satisfied with your workflow, the last step is to turn it on. This activates your automation and you can watch as your HubSpot takes care of email sending on your behalf. By following these steps, you'll see how easy and efficient email automation can be with HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy automating.